Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to remove all the default apps that come pre-installed with Windows 10. You don't need to type in each individual app to remove it. This is literally going to delete every single one with one bit of code. To start off with, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and type in PowerShell. You now need to right click on Windows PowerShell and go Run as Administrator. And once PowerShell has opened up, you now need to copy the code that is in the description below and you need to go paste. Once you have done that, you now need to hit enter and it will begin to remove all the pre-installed apps on Windows 10. And it really is as easy as that. And there we go. Once it has finished, you will end up with a screen that looks like this. Now if we close down PowerShell and open up our start menu, and as you can see, all the pre-installed apps are now gone. You can simply just drag the two apps that are on there to the left, or you can just right click and go unpin and do unpin again, and we can now move our start menu all the way over. And there we go. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.